Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. There have been a few updates on the Step app, so we have decided to share those updates with you. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Telegram channel to not miss out on the latest news and updates. Now let's get started. Our last video about Step app was around a month ago, and since then there have been a few updates on the app. First of all, there is less than a day left until the end of the fifth snapshot, and when the marketplace is ready, the loot box winners will be able to sell their assets through the Step app marketplace. Now let's start with the zero inflation yield. As you know, the zero inflation yield option is available for a while now, but we were not able to see our tokens, our APR or our rewards until 2 weeks ago. But now they are visible. This annual percentage rate was 11% 2 days ago, but now it's 8.8% and my daily reward is 0.38 Fitfi. You can claim your tokens by clicking on this claim button, but be careful when you claim your tokens because the gas fee might cost more than the value of your coins. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can watch our tutorials to learn how to open one. So I was thinking, how come I got only 6 Fitfi tokens after staking it for more than 3 months? But apparently there have been some complications and they are working on them. If you encounter a likely issue, contact them from their Telegram channel. Now let's go back to the roadmap. We are currently waiting for the validator rewards as of phase 3 and then the StepX, decentralized exchange for the Step ecosystem as of 10 million users milestone, will be active as phase 4. The platform will mainly focus on liquidity provider Fitfi tokens and liquidity providers will earn additional rewards. Let's have a look at this data. Currently 410 million Fitfi tokens are circulating in the market and 40% of them are staked in the Step app ecosystem. The mainnet launch will be on August 15, and after that, the Step app ecosystem launchpad will begin. With the help of the launchpad, in future we will see many interesting projects. And by staking Fitfi tokens on the platform, we can get a chance to earn whitelists for those projects. And at that time, there might be another increase in the Fitfi price. Not long, only 10 days ago, the company announced a new partnership with the world famous Usain Bolt to be one of their ambassadors. And as you can imagine, after this news, the Fitfi price has increased about 93%. To keep up with this kind of news, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our Telegram channel. In our next video, we will share the latest updates about the Vulcan app. Until then, thank you for watching and take care.